What's up, guys? Trev here, and today I have the latest Hot Wheels Elite 6.4 arrival, not release. This dropped months and months ago, but it was a pre-order. Yeah, this is the Radford Type 62-2 Pikes Peak. In fact, the Ferrari that just came out and sold out, I already did a video on. I already got it before this thing came out. This is number 19. They are numbered. All Elite 6.4 models are numbered. This is still available if you really want to buy it. And this is actually, so numerically, this actually comes before the Ferrari. So gap is now filled. All right, Radford. This, I think, had like a delivery date of like February. It's late December. It's just a few days before Christmas. I actually received this on the 20th, on Saturday. Yeah, this will probably be the last video. Well, this also, in the same session, I'm doing a video. I did a video on Japan Historics 5. These will probably be the last videos I do, unless the first mix of Team Transport for next year comes out. But here we are. So the Radford itself, some stats on the back. It has a 3.5 liter turbocharged V6, a 7-speed dual clutch automatic, all the weight, all that stuff. It doesn't even weigh a ton. It's crazy. All right, so yeah, this is the Radford. So the Radford is built in conjunction with both Radford, which is a coach building firm, and Lotus. I wonder if there's actually a Lotus badge on here somewhere, because yeah, Lotus and Radford did kind of come together to make this car. And this actually won the experimental class at Pikes Peak 2023. It had a sub 10-second time, so it was very fast. 10 minute. Gosh, if it did Pikes Peak in 10 minutes, then that would be unreal. And for the street version of this car, there's only going to be 62 of them produced. And there's 3 trim levels for it, excuse me. They're going to be 3 trim levels. There's a classic, did I say levels? Levels. There's going to be a classic trim, gold leaf trim, and a John Player special trim, and 12 units will be in both the gold leaf, or 12 will be in the gold leaf trim, and 12 will be in the John Player special trim. And this Pikes Peak version is definitely based on the John Player special deco. In fact, it even says Pikes Peak special there on the side. And we've had some John Player special inspired liveries come out in Hot Wheels. They can't do like a John Player special livery for real because it was a tobacco company. They can't put that on a Hot Wheel. But yeah, look at these wheels. It's got this really nice 4-spoke with the gold lip, Advan and Yokohama deco there on the tires. It's wrapped in like a carbon fiber look, and it looks insane. This carbon fiber wrap goes all around the car. You have a J button and T Faust on the side there, number 62. Pikes Peak special. Bunch of sponsors. There's your Radford logo there. Metal on metal. There's the axles there. Looks like they're actually a separate piece. There's the interior. I want to see if there's any detailing. I can't see. Let me look in with my own eyes. I'm trying to see if there's maybe like some detailing. I don't think the interior is detailed in there. At least the seat isn't. I can't tell about the front. Very aggressive front splitter there. You have the Union Jack there, right there, and on the back of the wing. This wing too is incredible. I think it's a plastic wing, but look how like it looks. Look at the shape. It is a little crooked though, because I think this is a separate piece, but it actually looks really insane. Even got the little Yokohama printing there on that thin part. The amount of detail they put in this is crazy. There's the back taillights and the exhaust. This car, I don't think a lot of people really know about it, especially like right when it dropped, but this thing is very well executed and it looks really cool, especially like the carbon fiber deco. Inserted pieces for the headlights. Little Optima logo there. I don't know if that's supposed to be crooked or not. I'm not sure. That might be Tampo slide. There's kind of a fan there in the front. This thing is insane. This thing looks nuts. And like I said, the deco, this carbon fiber deco is so awesome. And that is the Radford. Really awesome car, actually. It's a very crazy Pikes Peak car. They even have little holes for where the wheels are. It's a crazy car. Crazy Pikes Peak car. And it's very well done by Hot Wheels. And this is honestly why I like Elite 6.4, because sometimes they just throw a weird curveball. Like, the Radford is like one of the last things I expected them to, even because I didn't even know what the heck a Radford was when they even released it. I think this is awesome. This is stuff that they should do more of. It's cars that are unique, that other brands aren't doing. Because this thing is really nice, and I dig it. This might be one of my favorite Elite 6.4 releases, period. It's probably not going to be the most popular, but man, it's nice. The deco's awesome. The execution's great. The casting's great, and I really dig it. And that is the Elite 6.4 Radford Type 62-2 Pikes Peak. Very awesome release. Definitely going to be a underrated Elite 6.4 release. I really dig it a lot. This thing is awesome.